When your mind is frustrated the most? Seems like a good question. This In this video, I will explain you when your mind is frustrated the most and what is its solution. So, to find the solution of why your mind is frustrated and how to get free from frustrating, first we need to understand why it gets frustrated. So, our mind gets frustrated the most when we feed in something to our mind that this I have to do, I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to go there, I have to complete this, I have to complete this work, etc, etc, etc. We feed in too much in our mind. That is, I think, practically impossible. And if we are not able to achieve that things which we have fed in our mind, then the problem occurs. Then our mind gets frustrated that this I was not able to do this, I was not able to do this. So this is the main problem. Like, I will explain you with an example. Like, you woke up at 6:30, then you decided that from 6:30 to 8:30 I will study. 8:30 I will have my breakfast, then I will go with half an hour TV, and then again I will sit and study, and etc. You made your whole day timetable. Then then due to some reason you were not able to follow your timetable in the sense that let's assume that some guest came at your home. Due to some reason that you were not able to that follow that timetable, then at the end of the day your mind will be frustrated that you were not able to achieve that goal, or you were not able to achieve that thing which you have fed in your solution to this problem is uh, feed some practically possible things in your mind. What practically possible things? That don't be so overexcited about the things that everything is possible if we think of, and no, go with practically possible things. You have to think practically possible things, that now it is practically possible. Don't see that I will continuously study for 6 hours. It's not practically possible, at least for me. So whatever is practically possible for you, feed in that things in your mind. And then secondly, and don't feel guilty for that things which are out of your control. Like uh, like the things which are out of your control, um, like some guest came, as I gave you an example. So coming of guest at your home is out of your control. So don't be guilty of that I was not able to complete my goal. So from this video I hope you got two answers to the problem. That feed some practically possible things in your mind, and secondly, don't feel guilty of those things which are out of your control. Thank you. This is Himanshu Agrawal signing off.